Hello students, this is Ms. Priya Rathore, and students, today I am with English subject. So students, as you know, we had completed our letters till letter D the dog. So today we are going to learn about the letter E elephant. So you need to take out your book number 2, and in book number 2 you have to open the page number 2828. Fine. So here, as you can see, it's written over here, read aloud. So we have to speak loudly and learn the words. Those are start with letter E. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to introduce the letter E. This is the letter E. It's a capital E. Okay. E says A. See the formation. First of all, make one standing line, then one sleeping line, again a sleeping line, then again a sleeping line. But this middle sleeping line should be small rather than these two sleeping lines. Okay, this is capital E and this one is small e. This one is small e. For small e, make one sleeping line, then one right open curve. Okay, this is a capital E and this one is small e. But the sounds are same for both the E's. E says A. Okay, see in your book, it's a capital E and this one is small e. Now learn the words. Those start with letter E. E A engine. This is a engine. E A engine. And what the man is holding in his hand, this is envelope. E A envelope. E A envelope. And this is the entrance. When we are get in or out, so this is called entrance. E A entrance. And what the girl is holding in her hand, this is elf. E A elf. Now revise once more. E A engine, E A envelope, E A entrance, and E A elf. Now hope you all have understood. Now please turn your page. Come on the page number 3030. Here. Students, here one rhyme is given over here that is related to letter E. So the title of the rhyme is Ellie the Excited Elephant. This is an elephant and the name of this elephant is Ellie. Okay, here we will learn the sound. Ellie the excited elephant is a little shy. Ellie never tells a lie. Ellie waves her trunk to say hi. Ellie enjoys her apple pie. Once more. Ellie the excited elephant is a little shy. Ellie never tells a lie. Ellie waves her trunk to say hi. Ellie enjoys her apple pie. So students, this is not necessary that you have to learn the rhyme, but now you have to find out those words, those start with letter E, and you have to circle it. So E A Ellie, circle this. E A excited. E A elephant. E A Ellie. E A Ellie. E A Ellie. And E A enjoys. So how many words we had circled on this page? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ellie, excited elephant, enjoys. Okay. E A Ellie. Now come on the page number 3131. Here also some pictures are given over here. Those start with letter E. So let's start. E A elk. This is an animal. E A elk. E A elk. This bottle is empty. Nothing is inside. So E A empty. E A empty. And this is our body part. E A elbow. E A elbow. And this is egg. E A egg. E-A, egg. So hope you all have understood. And please learn these words, those start with letter E. Now come on the page number 3 to 32. Okay, we are going to do this work. Please mention your date over here and classwork. Here you have to do practice of capital E and small e. Tick the egg with capital E. We have to tick those eggs, those are with capital E, and cross the egg with small e. And we have to cross those are with small e. So tell me, is it capital or small? It's capital E. So we will put tick. And it's small e. So we will put cross. For capital E, we will tick it. And for small e, we will cross it. Is it capital E or small e? It's capital E. So put one tick. And for small e, put cross. Is it capital E? So we will tick it. And this is a small e, so we will cross it. So in this way you have to complete your work and submit all the works on Google Classroom. Okay, I'll check and remark you. Fine, thank you.